Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we solved the first two questions related with exercise number 7.2, related with chapter number 7 Trigonometry, class 10 Mathematics according to the fresh new course. In today's video, I am going to solve the next question, question number 3, related with the same exercise number 7.2. In the previous video, we were find the distance from the circumference to the center of circle that was represented by L or SO. And also we find theta made by the circle. In today's video we will find the radius of the given circle using the same formula that we used in the previous two videos. So let's move toward the question number 3. Find the value of r when theta is equal to 5 by 6 radian and the distance L from circumference to the center is actually 2 centimeter. So we learned the formula in the previous questions. L is equal to r theta. Using this formula, we will solve question number 3. There are 3 parts in this question also. So move towards solution of part number 1. Using the same formula, L is equal to r theta. So putting the values r first, we are going to find out r. So divide both sides with theta. So theta cancels out with theta, we are left with r is equal to L divided by theta. Using this formula, we will find the value of r. So r is equal to L. L is 2 centimeter divided by theta. Theta is pi by 6 radian. So pi by 6 radian. Now this 6 will move to the numerator because 6 is in the third division. So third division will move to the numerator. So 6 multiplied 2 will give us 12. And you know that radius is actually the distance. So its unit is a centimeter. So 12 centimeter divided by 5. You know that pi is actually 22 divided by 7. So 7 will move to the numerator. So the value of r will be 12 multiplied 7 divided by 22. Now divide 22 and 12 with 2. So it becomes divide 12 by 2 gives us 6. Multiply 7 and divided by 22 divided by 2 gives us 11. So 6 multiply 7 gives us 42. 42 divided by 11. So this is actually the required radius of the given circle. You can also find out the exact value of radius r by dividing 42 with 11 inside the calculator. So this is actually the required and desired radius of the given circle for the part number first. Now move to the second part related with question number 3, part number 2. Over here theta is given, which is equal to 3 and 1 over 2 radian. This is actually the mixed fraction. And the value of L is equal to 4 divided by 7 centimeter. First we convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. How can we convert it? Remember, this 2 will multiply with 3. It will give us 6 and add this 6 with 1 and divide with 2. So this will give us 6 plus 1, 7. 7 divided by 2 radian. This is actually our theta. And L is equal to 4 divided by 7 centimeter. Now using from this formula divide with theta. So we left with r is equal to L divided by theta. Using this formula, r is equal to L divided by theta. Putting the values, so the value of r will be L is 4 divided by 7 centimeter and divided by theta. Theta is actually 7 by 2 radian. 7 by 2 radian. Now it become r will be equal to 4 divided by 7 centimeter. Now if we convert this division sign into multiplication, both of these two terms will reciprocate. So 2 will move to the numerator and 7 will comes down to the denominator. So 4 divided by 7 and 2 divided by 7. Now 2 multiply 4, it will give us 8 centimeter and divided by 7 multiply 7 will give us 49. So this is actually the required radius of the circle. You can also calculate the exact value of 8 divided by 49 through calculator. So this is the desired answer for the radius of the given circle for the part number 2. Now move to the last part of today's lecture and the last part of question number 3. Find the value of r when theta is 3 pi by 4 radian and the value of L is actually 15 centimeter. Using the same formula, r is equal to L divided by theta. So using r is equal to L divided by theta, so by putting the values, we will easily get the required radius of the given circle. So putting the values, r will be equal to L. L is actually 15 centimeter. Whole divided by theta. Theta is 3 pi by 4 radian. So 3 pi by 4. Now first division, second division, third division. So third division will move to the numerator and multiply with the numerator 15. So 15 multiply 4 and divided by 3 pi. 3 5. So pi can be written as 22 divided by 7. This is the exact value. Now this is the radius, so the unit will be centimeter. Now by calculating its value, first we will move this 7 to the numerator because it is also in the third division. First division, second and third, 7 move to the numerator. So it becomes 15 multiply 4 multiply 7. And in the numerator we have 22 multiply 3. 22 multiply 3. Now after this 15 can be written as 5 multiply 3 multiply 4 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. And divided by 22 can be written as 11 multiply 2 and multiply 3. This 3 cancel out with 3 and 2 cancel out with 2. In the numerator we are left with 5 multiply 2 gives us 10. 10 multiply 7 it gives us 70. And divided by we are just left with 11. So this is actually the required radius of the given circle. You can calculate the exact value by dividing 17 with 11. It will give the exact value in the decimal using calculator. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about class 10 mathematics. Thank you.